What do we got going on here today?
So today's going to be a pretty simple stuff. It's chicken wings. I love chicken wings. Everybody loves chicken wings. So we're going to do a lot over the course of the show. There's going to be all kinds of chicken wings we're doing. But today we're going to do two types. One is going to be in an orange mustard glaze, and the other one is going to be a cayenne. It's a spicy cayenne chicken wing.
Is that first one sweet?
First one is, yes, sweet because of the marmalade and everything. The other one's a little hotter. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook one on charcoal, and we're going to do the spicy one on charcoal with the smoke and everything, and one we're going to do on the gas grill. This recipe, you don't have to do it with chicken wings. You can do it with drumsticks, chicken thighs, do a whole chicken. At the end of the day, you're marinating. One's going to have a sauce, one's going to have a marinade. You can cook any type of chicken.
Awesome. Right.
So, too much talking.
Let's get to it.
A little more drinking. It's going to be friggin' awesome.
Friggin' awesome.
So the first one we're going to do is the mustard glaze. So we're going to do it in a saucepan on the stove. So we have all our ingredients here. We're going to go over to the stove, mix it all together, bring it up to a boil, let it simmer, let it cool down. Then I'll make the marinade for the cayenne wings, and then they all go in the fridge for a couple hours, and then we get out to the heat. Once it comes to a boil, we let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we let it cool and add it to the chicken wings in the bag. So the sauce is cooling down behind me. Once it cools down, we're going to put half of it into the bag with the chicken wings, and half it we set aside because we're going to baste it as the chicken's cooking. So now I'm going to make the marinade for the cayenne chicken wings. Now the next step is we have the marinade and the sauce done. So this is for the cayenne, this is the mustard glaze. You separate the mustard glaze into a bowl, half of it into the bag with the chicken wings, and the other half we use later, we set aside and we use it later to baste the wings with. So we're going to put the sauces and the marinades into the bags. It goes into the fridge for 2 hours and then ready to go on the fire. So we got the wings in the bags, we have the sauce, we got the marinade. Time to put them in the fridge for a couple hours.
It's been 2 hours. Time for the fire.
So we got the egg at 350. We're going to be putting the cayenne wings on here, and we'll give it a nice smoky, charcoaly feel to it and taste. Never mind the feel, it's all about the taste. So now we're going to put the mustard glazed wings on the gas barbecue, and we have the sauce that we set aside that we're going to baste them with. some sugar on me, baby. It's gonna be friggin' awesome. This smells phenomenal. Looking good, huh?
There's two guys hanging out and grilling. Hey, the life doesn't get better.
You got
Beer
it.
and wings.
Yeah, you got that.
Well, Nick, it's been tough just waiting for these chicken wings to cook because it just smells absolutely incredible, buddy.
They're really good. So now, the recipe with the sauces and the marinade is for around 16 wings for each one. I mean, obviously you can make as many as you want, but the recipe is for 16 wings. So when you do them and you're following that recipe, that's the number you kind of keep in mind.
Perfect.
So, which one did you want to try? Well, what we're drinking today is a beautiful rum beret.
Wow.
That it's basically a porter that they've aged in rum barrels. It's
Can't wait to try it.
it's fantastic. I got this again when we were in Prince Edward County, and we stopped at a brewery. Great food, and
Good choice to put the fire out on those spicy
yes,
things.
yes. So, have a taste. See how
Sempre duro
Sempre duro.
to Bruce. Up the
Happy
irons.
birthday.
Very good. Smooth. Oh, you get that flavor, right?
Isn't that nice?
Nice.
Beautiful.
It's got a little sweet taste to it too, right?
It's a little bit beautiful.
Nice.
If you like porters, man, there's
Nick
so
is
many
getting
good
me
ones.
into all this different beer.
Nice, huh?
Very good, buddy.
Okay, so now to business. Which one do you want to go? You want to get your ass on fire, or you want to try the?
I think sweet first. for
Okay.
me.
So this is the mustard glaze wings. Let's try.
Give it a try.
Now I'm gonna find out because I know my wife wants to try, but she's a little nervous. It might be too spicy.
Cheers. Oh, let's see. You like them?
Nice, huh?
Very good. Not too spicy.
I think you can eat them, Bella. Oh, it's a nice little. It's nice, eh?
Very good. Very flavorful. We're savoring the taste.
Holy smokes, yeah. Now these we did on the gas barbecue. Obviously, you can do them wherever. Oh, this is good. Has a nice sweet taste. Very, very nice. Has a very interesting flavor. Huh?
Oh, I've never had this. It's got curry in it too, right?
It's got curry, everything in it. Yeah, it's nice.
Taste that.
Now, I never deep fry my wings because I don't have a deep fryer, and I just don't like using a lot of deep fried foods. So anytime I do wings, they're usually on the barbecue, whether it's on charcoal. I want to try some in the wood oven, so we're going to do an episode. We're going to do some in the wood oven too.
I just did get a little hint of spice on that.
Yeah, it's nice though. It's very mild. It's beautiful.
Mild, but
Really nice flavor, man.
this calls for a drink. Clear the platter. And get ready for this.
Now let's see how spicy this actually is. I mean, everybody's tolerance is different for spices.
I like spicy food.
Yeah, let's try it out. So these are the cayenne, the spicy cayenne wings.
Yeah.
Up the irons.
See it, right?
Oh,
First bite was good.
this is definitely a little. This is definitely hotter than the other one, eh? It's a creeping death.
Oh yeah, but not too bad. Like I can handle it. It's nice.
Oh, yeah, it's got a bite. Yeah, my wife won't. She won't eat these.
If I was at home alone, I'd be doing a happy dance right now. Definitely. Tasty.
Now you taste the difference with the charcoal and a little bit of the smoke. It has a whole different flavor, right?
Absolutely. You can taste
It's
it.
kind of not fair to compare because they're. Oh my gosh, she's got a bite. It's a creeping
I
bite.
wouldn't really compare them. I mean, they're both good in their own way, right?
Yeah. So if you had a choice of one or the other, which one would you pick?
They're still both so good.
In different ways, right?
Honestly, that's the way I describe it. If I wanted like something hot, if I'm drinking beer, I think the hot ones would go better.
Oh.
But just for taste, those ones are fantastic too. Really good. I think that, you know what, Nick? In a party, this would be perfect combination because, like your wish isn't like too hot.
Right.
That'd be perfect.
So it's a simple recipe. We're gonna be doing a lot more ribs, wings. We're gonna do ribs too, everything. These were really, really good.
Yeah, Nick, fantastic, bro, and thank you again for everything.
Oh.
Cheers one more time. And if you guys haven't remembered, just to give us a comment, a like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. We really appreciate it. And we're gonna finish off these wings.
Dante, thank you for the music, and till next time.
Till next time.
Up the irons, it's friggin' awesome.
Metal chopping block.
Sempre duro, baby. All right, so the first batch of wings we're gonna do, we have to make a sauce in a medium sauce pan in the oven. Sorry. The first one we're gonna do, we gotta make okay. So, I'm letting the sauce try this again, he got me all fucked up here. So now we're gonna put the mustard glaze wings on the gas, and we have the sauce that we put aside. Holy shit, the sass that we put aside.
What are you from, Tennessee?
Sass, okay. So now we're gonna put the mustard glaze ones on the gas ones. Holy fuck.
Take the chicken wing, ready? Get the chicken wing. We're gonna teach you something here. I don't know, probably Nick already knows this, but squish with both fingers.
I don't know this.
Squish with both fingers, kind of just like that. And then take it and go. Suck her back.
No, look at that. It's like oysters. Where'd you learn that?
My brother.
Wow. That's killer.
My brother's a foodie. Very good at cooking too.
Oh. I'm gonna try that again. Look at
I don't know if he's gonna watch this video, but do this like.
Oh, you learned something. Look at that.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
Eat a wing like a pro.